Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. In this session of video, we will learn how to implement include feature in our script language. To do that, you probably need to watch this video, Get Info from File for Bison and Flex app. From this YouTube channel, you can download the source code by clicking this button. So after downloading your source code will be downloaded to download folder like this. Then unzip it. Then you will have solutions like this. I will rename it include solution. Include file input solution like this, and I will copy and paste it to our working folder. Here I will paste it like this, include file solution. Then start your Visual Studio. This is Visual Studio 2015. I'm using Visual Studio 2015. As you can see, I'm using Visual Studio 2015 Update 3. Then open the solution. Include the file input here, this solution. In Solution Explorer, you can see our previous work, and we will test it. Rebuild the solution. It failed. Say I made some changes in the settings. Currently, it is using Bison and Flex included in M2sys. To fix this, we need to make a few changes here. And here, let me see. At this point, option always interactive. Then no UNISDD like this. Add this one, and then build once again. So it built successfully. And this is for Bison and Flex included in GNU package. Okay, now we will run it. Control F5. As expected, it is working. Control C to close. To properly understand how to implement include feature in our scripting language, we need to understand this option stack. Before we understand, we need also understand the start conditions. In Flex PDF menu, search for start conditions and learn more about the start conditions in this menu. We also need to understand the create buffer and push buffer state, pop buffer state, and also initial condition, and also macro begin, things like this. So let's get started. For more information, please refer to this PDF menu. For example, about push buffer state, search for push buffer state. By reading code here, you can get basic information about how to implement include feature. And please refer this document for more information. Now, initially, we need to add this option. In lexical analyzer, in the Lexa file here, we need to add this option. This is to use start condition stack, and we will here we need to define an exclusive. This means exclusive state. I will say incl. This is exclusive start condition. Then include. At this point, we are changing state to inclusive. Begin. We are changing state incl. When we see include, we change the state. Then we are adding, this is start condition, include condition. Then t 0 or more, it will be just eat up, white space, include incl. Here it is character class with negative character class. It means remove excluding. It means excluding blank space, t and new line, one or more. So I am adding this rule here. First, we will open file. File f open s. We need to provide a file pointer here. We will make another file pointer. Okay. We open file pointer. It should be address pointer to file. Then YY text has the file name. Then read. Okay. It means if file open successful. Then YY in p include file, like this, and YY push buffer state. Here we are creating YY buffer. YY create buffer. YY in YY buff size. Okay. Then we change the state. Begin initial. For macros like initial, this is initial state. These are all initial state. For macros about initial and begin, please refer to PDF manual here. For example, begin. You can learn more about include. You can learn about what include this macro means. You can refer to start conditions about include begin and also initial. Okay. So at this state, it start initially it start with the initial state, and this is initial state, this is include state, this is exclusive. %x means include state. We declared one exclusive state here. Then when the lexical scanner meets include, the keyword include, then it changes its state to inclusive incl state. Then this part of code is processed. Okay, then after this, when we close the file here, we need to fix it here. Now end of file means end of file state. pop buffer state. We are popping if p include file. Here we need to delete file close, p include file. Then we set p include file null, like this. Then we need one more if current buffer. It means if current buffer is not null, then we need to terminate. We need to close input file and terminate, like this. Save it. And I want to make here one more changes. Here we can also call this function. This is our old code. I am making some changes, fixing, and also we can say like this. We will copy it here. Okay, save. Now we saved all and we rebuild. Okay, built. Let's test this program. This program is here. I will change it to release x86. I will rebuild. Okay, successful. Here I will open a command line. And we'll test it. Hello, Bison Flex app. Okay. Now we are making input file. I will make a simple input file. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. One more. 2 times 3. I will make it. Please note that you have to select encode NC. Okay, you have to select encode NC, then save it to this folder. Here in this folder I will save it sample txt. Okay, I saved it. Now we have sample txt. Sample txt, it works. and we will add one more file here, include. No, I will say, I will copy it and I will save it. Make sure encode should be NC. Save. I will say sample 1. So this is sample 1. And in sample we will include this file. Include sample1 txt. So sample1 txt, sample txt include sample1 txt like this. Then we need to have more computation. We can do more computation here. Okay, we save it, and here we can create one more file. I will make a sample 3. Make sure encoding in NC. Save it. I will say sample 2. Okay, this is sample 2, sample 1. Sample 1 can include sample 2 also. App here. Include sample 2 txt. Save it. It should be encoding NC. Make sure encoding NC. It should also be encoding NC. It should be encoding NC. So sample text includes sample 1 text. Sample 1 text here, and sample 1 includes sample 2, and again here we can include sample 2 txt like this. Okay, and it should end with carriage return like this. Okay, all is done. Now we can try like this. Wow. Let's examine the result. First, 15 is displayed. Sample 1 txt, this include this file. Then sample 2 is included again. Then this computation 15 is displayed here. Then here sample 1, this computation is displayed. Then this here. Then this computation here. Then this file ends. Then this computation is displayed. Then sample 2 is included again. Sample 2 is included again, 15. So this way we can implement include statement in our lexical analyzer. For more understanding, for more detailed understanding about this mechanism, please refer to Bison Flex manual, especially about the start condition. Also, we use the begin. Also about for more about like YY push buffer, YY pop buffer state. Also about begin macros, and also I use the current buffer. I used this macro in our code. I actually used here. I actually the YY current buffer. What it means. You can refer these things in Flex manual. This sample code is actually not perfect. So this this approach is not perfect. To make it perfect, we need to use stack. Please watch my next video about how to make this approach perfect. Thank you for watching.